Our mission is to support health and educational success for students at KIPP Baltimore in partnership with the school and community.
Through the design and delivery of integrated, compassionate, evidence-informed school health services, school-based healthcare, and school wellness programs.
Through our work, we strive to empower students, staff, and families to lead their healthiest, most joy-filled lives, and to remove health issues as barriers to learning.
We share best practices and advocate for innovative approaches like ours to promote health and educational equity at KIPP Baltimore, throughout Baltimore City, and nationwide.
Thank you for recognizing the partnership between Rales Health Center and KIPP Baltimore and our shared commitment to our community's wellness.
Thank you for recognizing the importance of experiences in school health for medical students and other trainees.
Together with the Rales Health Center, we're building the next generation of school health leaders.
Thank you for recognizing the impact of the Rales Health Center on student attendance, academic growth, emergency department utilization, and asthma control.
Thank you to the Academic Pediatric Association for recognizing the importance of school health and for recognizing the Rales Health Center's innovation and leadership in this area.
Thank you!